Okay, this video will demonstrate you how to install Lumion 2023 on DOIE. The first thing you need to download my file, setup file. And after that, you need to copy this file to setup folder. In here. And the second thing you need to keep in mind, please go to view, show and show file name extension. You can see in here my name extension is .txt. Now I just open it a normal. You can see you just to change this letter to the letter you want to install, or YD or E, just rename it, or the direction of the folder you want to install, just rename it, the location you want to install, and save it. Okay, now you just rename the file extension to cmd. Okay, yes, you can see here my this D don't have any folder of Lumion 2020. Now I just install it by click to setup.cmd. Now you can see it's gone, and let's just not in here. E for me, I install in folder in here, this E. Okay, thank you for watching.